Hello friends, welcome back. So guys, today's session we will see at the time of deployment if you receive a document reference error, so how you can solve this particular error. Okay, so let's start the demo. Very first, I'll open the one service. Okay, so this is my get employee data service, and in pipeline I use a branch as a switch case. I have a request and a response document. So this request and response document here we created manually the request and response document. Okay, and I drag and drop this particular document. But at the live code, your live designing, your live development, if you have a multiple documents and whatever you designing or code, you by mistakenly you take a wrong reference, a wrong document. Okay, that a case if you receiving some error, document reference error at the time of deployment, so that a case how to avoid such a kind of how to solve this problem. Just open your interface. Let's suppose this is my get employee data interface and this is my first step. Go step by step. All step you need to check the all the document references. So this is my first step. I'll come here. I'll just right click this particular document and click on find references. Here I have two references and this document is coming from my addition demo one number package, and this is the document and this is a request. Okay, so let's suppose if the document reference is not correct, then you'll receive some error, and this error something in black like bold black fonts. Okay, so to avoid, what you can do, just go step by step. Like this is my first step, this is my second step. I'll come here, I'll check all the document, just right click and find references. If any problem is there, then it is showing error for that particular document. Again, I come here, I'll check the another document as well. This is my response document. Find references. This is also correct. If you have any document reference error, then you'll receive the error. And how you can resolve this particular error. So just take this document. Like if I am facing some challenges in this response document, then I'll go there, I'll check this particular fields all are correct or not, and then I'll, if the document is not correct, then I'll again delete the mapping. Let's suppose I have this mapping. Okay, I'll delete this mapping, so the wrong document will disappear, and I'll take the new document, whatever new document we have, we're looking for this new document. I just drag and drop and I'll do the mapping again. Okay, so I received some comments from you guys regarding to make like demo on the document reference at the time of deployment we facing some challenges. So guys, this demo is all about your errors. If you're receiving any comment, any error from at the time of deployment, so to avoid such a kind of a conflict, just go one by one, check all the document, click on that particular document and check the document reference, find references. If you have any conflict in that particular document, so just check this document is where is coming from. If this document is not correct, then go delete the mapping, document will disappear, wrong document, and correct, take a correct document and then do the mapping. So but obviously you can avoid such a kind of a conflict. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much.